My today task is to repair this beautiful BMW 4 Series EV36. This car have a warning message about the SOS Call System Failure in the navigation and instrument cluster. I will need to diagnose the car and repair it. The other two warning messages about the range and washer fluid level will be done by the owner of the car. After scanning the car, I can see a control unit is not responding, it's in red. Echo with red means echo not responding, and the echo that is not responding is the TCB. For the errors, I will have one error about communication, two errors are about the side view camera, and I'm not interested in this one, and no communication possible with Telemarics control unit or the TCB. I will calculate a test plan. I will go to voltage supply for telecommunication. From here, I will use the wiring diagram. I will go full screen. I will select telematic communication box. And from what I see, on this car, this unit is situated on the roof of the car, in the back underneath the shark fin type antenna, and is this one from here. And to access this module, I will need to remove the headliner. First step is to remove the coat hook. This have a T20 screw. Okay. Next step is to remove the screw from the C-pillar. This is T25. Okay, next the edge protector, this piece. This have only these metal clips and one plastic here. And after that I can remove the C-pillar. This one have two more plastic clips here. Next step is to remove the D-pillar. This one have only clips. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one from here. Next, I need to remove this piece from here. This has some clips. And after that I will pull this piece. And I need to push these two tabs like that. And the last step, I have a T20 screw here. And now I will repeat the process on this side. And at this moment the headliner it's loose and I'm able to work inside of this headliner. Okay, this clip from here is missing because someone already have been inside here. You can already see watermarks, you can see here. This is not good, and you can see here something that is not supposed to be in here. This one. This is from a tree, but is inside of the car headliner. And you also can see here, where is the water damage, something else. And there is something strange here. And this is the module. And I can already see something here. Now I need to remove the module. I will unplug it. Okay, now I need to pull this tab and I will slide the module forward. This is red, this is paint of the car. You can see some marks, water marks, some oxidation. Now I will remove all these screws to see what surprises I will find inside of this module. First I will remove the battery. There is sand on this battery. Okay, yeah, this here, it's water damage. On this side, here I have some marks, here I have some marks, here, that's it. Yeah, unfortunately this module is destroyed. So for this car I will need to replace this module, and in this case I will replace this unit with another one. This unit is a second-hand unit, it's not brand new. For this unit I have another battery because this one is old. So my next step is to mount this on the car, but first I will need to clean inside of the headliner. Okay, now I will use some contact spray on these plugs. And on this connector here. And last step, I will on the battery. I will make sure this lid is perfectly closed. Now I have switched on the ignition. I will delete the errors and see what will come back. And the TCB is still not responding. Next step is to check the fuse, because it's possible that the fuse is blown. We'll go to display fault memories, test plan, voltage supply telecommunication, wiring diagrams. The fuse is in the rear carrier. It's F120. It's a 5 amp fuse. 70, 23 here. 18, 19, 20. Okay, I will change that fuse. And the fuse is this one. Yeah, it's blown. I will replace it. Okay, after replacing the fuse, I will erase again the errors. The TCB is responding. And interesting with no errors, but this will need to be coded on the car. Side view, and the same, no message. Emergency call, status for emergency call. This is present because this unit is not coded on the car. Next step is to code the unit. First step is to connect with the car. At 020, it's okay, 100, connect, okay, okay, read the FA, activate the FA, read the VCM, and read the ACU. Next, ATM. Okay, ATM, code. Close, everything green, perfect. Close, and again, delete fault memories. Perfect, no more errors on the TCB. The only errors are about the side view camera. And now, if everything's okay, I will start to mount everything back. I will start with the screws for the headliner. And finally, this car is repaired. Let me see if I have some other messages here. Range, my vehicle status, only the range and the washer fluid will need to pop up now. And the washer fluid level, and no more SOS warning messages. That warning messages are for the owner to deal with them. Next step for this car is to the body shop, because they will need to remove the cover for the shark fin antenna from the roof and reglue it back, because on this car that cover is glued on the body with the same glue that this windshield is glued on the body. If you are still here, that means you enjoy my work and you are like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching these videos, thank you for being with me, until next time you know the drill, stay awesome, bye now.